So, Arsenal 2, Brentford 1. And there's a certain goalkeeper who has just put the final nail in his coffin. We're smoking that Brentford pack. We're smoking Friends of Aaron pack. And we are smoking the Aaron pack. The audacity of that guy when we scored, by the way, to give it all of that to the away fans. Jesus Christ, have some shame, mate. Yeah, hopefully that is his last game for this football club. He absolutely stinks. Can't stand him. Anyway, cheers, guys. We're top of the league, baby. Top of the league. We're back. We're top of the league. How long for remains to be seen. Obviously, Liverpool play Manchester City tomorrow. So one, if not both, are dropping points. Obviously, now we've got our game out of the way. We're hoping they draw because then we stay top of the league, guys. But anyway, we're on the Victoria Malagas tonight. Bosh! Smash the likes up, hijo de puta. Anyway, guys, let's talk about this game. Ben White was man of the match for me. I know 29 got it. He scored 2 winners against Brentford this season. Pray for Johnny Minerals. Johnny Minerals. He's fuming, bruv. He is absolutely fuming. Make sure you sub to him. I did a show with him the other day. Good guy, man. But he is seething. Imagine Arsenal win the league with 29 and Jorginho. Pray for Minerals. Look, hair flicks back. I need a haircut, lads. Anyway, let's talk about this game. Starting 11, cool. We had to change the goalkeeper because he's on loan from Brentford. But this goalkeeper it just causes mayhem, panic. Put Benny Hill music over the goal. Clown music. This guy is a clown. He is an absolute clown. He nearly got lobbed from 40 yards out by Ivan Toney. How many times have we seen people even take a shot from 40 yards out against David Raya? The conversation is finished. It is done. Yeah, in the bin. Vete a la mierda, hijo de puta. Yeah, this guy can leave and he can take his mouthy dad with him. Yeah, get out. Yeah, that is his last game for this football club. He has put the final nail in his coffin. Yeah, and he should not be giving it all of this at the end of the game, giving it all of this and giving it all the big one at the end of the game. He should be walking off of that pitch, thanking his lucky stars that 29 won that game for us. Yeah, because is it any coincidence that we put him back in goal today, unforced? Yeah, we had to put him in. Yeah, we had to put him in. The Premier League will state it. We knew that when we signed David Raya. We have to put him in. We're not going to put Cole Hine in goal. We're trying to win a title. We put this dickhead back in goal. And for the first 45 minutes, I was thinking, right, we're playing all right. Not really creating a great deal. You know, they were getting stuck in, blah, blah, blah. But Ben White, what a cross. Declan Rice, what a goal. What a goal. He's been brilliant this season, by the way. What a signing. Yeah, and do you know how our player's good? Yeah, £100 million. £100 million sterling we paid for this guy. And not one person on the planet is talking about how much money it cost. That tells you how good he is. Yeah, because normally people go, oh, you paid this much for that player, and look at him, he's trash. I've not had a single person all season from rival teams, yeah, mention Declan Rice's price tag. In fact, rival fans are actually praising how good of a player he's been this season, and he has been absolutely top class. Yeah, then I'm thinking, right, now let's get the second. 29, clean through, dinks the keeper, puts it 6 yards wide. I'm like, bro, that's the game right there. 2-0, half an hour gone, curtains, 38 minutes, I think it was. That would have been game over. Yeah, then Saka shanks one over the bar. Bukayo Saka, if ever you watch these videos, start practicing how to shoot with your right foot, mate. Yeah, the amount of times I see him shank balls over the bar with his right foot. Trossard started today. My baller, guys. He weren't great today, although he should have had a penalty. Which weren't given. But that is it cancelled out. It's cancelled out because 29 dived and he was already on a booking. He should have been sent off. He was lucky he got the winner because he shouldn't have been on the pitch in the first place. But anyway, we'll come to that in a second. We just finished smoking the Friends of Aaron pack. Aaron Ramsdale in the bin, lads and lasses, and unicorns. Non-binary, of course, because it is 2024. But anyway, now we've smoked the pack. Wow. What we did, we gave Aaron Ramsdale the ball. We gave him the ball. Plenty of time, plenty of space. It wasn't a hospital pass. It wasn't one of them balls that you're like, That's a stupid back pass to the keeper. Plenty of time. There was no pigeons on the pitch, so he weren't looking at a pigeon this time and being distracted like a muppet. Yeah, he takes a touch, and you're thinking, just spank it up the pitch, mate. It's right on half time. 4 minutes into stoppage time in the first half. Get it out. We're 1-0 up. We go again. They'll have to come out. Yeah, and then we go and get the second goal early in the second half. Then we make some nice subs like we've been doing in the last 7 league games, burying teams, making the subs, blah, blah, blah. No, Aaron Ramsdale had other ideas, guys. Yeah, let me just diver on the ball. Yeah, and then what I'll do is I'll let Wissa slide in and I'll just kick it straight at him and it'll go in. What are you doing? What are you doing, you wrong'un? You're an absolute wrong'un, mate. Yeah, this guy reminds me of Joe Hart. It reminds me of Joe Hart. Way too emotional, can't concentrate, proper off-key, thinks he's better than he is. Yeah, and just the adrenaline's always rushed. He's always hype. Yeah, when he's in the box for corners, he's doing all of this crap. Bruv, what are you doing? Look at the state of that performance from him today. Yes, he made a couple of good saves. Yeah, but that's his job. Yeah, and they're all camera saves. Oh, look at me. I made amazing. They were decent saves. They weren't nothing special. Yeah, he makes everything like, I don't know, it just causes panic. Yeah, the debate is done, guys. Yeah, the debate is done. David Raya is miles clear of this geezer. But anyway, that's enough of the negativity. Just be happy we won the game. Shut up. Yeah, I'll say what I want. Yeah, just be happy we won the game. Now let's just be happy because we won the game, and I'll be happy now. Good performance today. Ben White, man of the match. Declan Rice, superb again. Yeah, superb again. He was always trying to go forward. He's always trying to be positive. Yeah, he's always bowling through the midfield. Yeah, and he's scored, I don't know how many goals now. I think that's 7, I think. Leave it in the chat. Let me know. Leave it in the comments. I think that's his 7th goal of the season. I may be way out. I don't know. But either way, he was good. He was very good today. Yeah, Martin Odegaard, first half, quality. Second half, in and out the game. In and out the game. In and out the game. Kivior. Yeah, Kivior. Yeah, first half, quality. They were all quality in the first half. Apart from that idiot in goal. Yeah, second half, panic sets in. Brentford starts shithousing it. Yeah, we could have had a penalty with Trossard. And for me, that was a penalty. All day long, that's a penalty. How are you pulling him back by his throat in the penalty box? I'm watching the rerun. Look at the goalkeeper. What's he doing? Look at him. He's jumping. Look at this goal. This goalkeeper's a dickhead, bro. I am sick to death of this goalkeeper. Get him gone. Yeah, thank God it's only one game, man. Yeah, he made a great throw. I'm just watching that now. He made a great throw. Trossard should have just dinked the goalkeeper. But anyway, second half, 29 was lucky to stay on the pitch. And then he comes up clutch. Yeah, Brentford must be absolutely seething because he blatantly dived. Yeah, now if he hadn't have been booked, he would have been booked. So what's the difference? Yeah, so people can moan and cry and bitch if we hadn't won that game. Oh, we should have had the penalty. Should have had a penalty. What about him staying on the pitch when he should have been sent off? Nobody will talk on that. Yeah, but ultimately, we kept him on. Yeah, and this is why the manager gets paid 8 million a year and I'm sitting on YouTube for a living. Because we're all sitting on the watch long going, get him off, get him off, get him off. Yeah, he was making a few rush tackles here and there. And we're like, he's getting that close to getting a sending off in a minute. But he came up clutch. 2 winners against Brentford right at the death in both games. Fair play to him. 4 in 4, 2 assists in that time as well. And listen, he's put us top of the league. Yeah, and Aaron Ramsdale should donate his whole wages to him today. Yeah, to him today. But we were huffing and puffing at times, and we were looking at it thinking, boy, Jesus, come on, didn't really do a great deal. You know, we're looking around thinking, who's going to come up today and score? Who's going to come up clutch? Yeah, fair play. It was him. Yeah, fair play to him. I've been on his case since we signed him, before we signed him. As soon as I knew we were signing him, on his case. Yeah, but you know what? Keep shutting me up, mate. Keep putting me in the bin. Yeah, keep putting me in the bin. But ultimately, if we don't win anything, then this is all for nothing. Yeah, but I beg you win the title. Yeah, I beg you win the title. I'll be the happiest guy on the planet if we win the title. Yeah, because I can retire in May. Because apparently, if we win the league, I'm finished and I won't get any views next season. Anyway, guys, let's talk on Bukayo Saka. In and out the game again today. Very, very predictable today as well at times. Very, very predictable today at times. But yeah, I don't know whether he's playing through an injury. Apparently, he went off with an illness the other day. So he didn't look at the races today. I can't lie. He didn't look that great today. William Saliba, for me, played well. Yeah, Gabriel was worse than him, in my opinion. Yeah, he's always on his bum. Yeah, and he's always trying to do stupidness at times. Like, as soon as we start getting rattled a little bit in the second half, he's like trying to flick his leg out at Ivan Toney. He's trying to teabag him. And it's like, bruv, this is where I worry for this team, because it's like we're way too emotional at times. Like, just calm down. Just calm down. There's no need to go losing your head. Just calm down, guys. We've got this if we do it properly. Yeah. Big up to the manager, though. Yeah, big up to the manager, because he must have been absolutely seething, and he can't sub Ramsdale off. Yeah, but he kept 29 on the pitch and he come up clutch. Yeah, fair play. Yeah, but that weren't a great performance today. We do another 10 of them and we win the league. Do you think I care, guys? No, I don't. Leave your comments down below. Kenny Ken's at the ground. He's going to be up next. I'm just watching Rice's goal again. What a goal. What a goal. What a goal. 100 million quid. Yeah? Like what? Leaning on the corner. Yeah, what? 100 million. Do you know what I like about him? Yeah? Yeah, he actually loves playing for this football club. You can tell he's proud to represent Arsenal Football Club. Yeah, and he's walked into this football club like he deserves to be here. Same as Jude at Real Madrid. Yeah, I rate that cockiness, that arrogance, and that confidence. Yeah, maybe some of these others, maybe some of the others should try it as well. Yeah, although you do have to have the talent. Anyway, we are wrapping this up, guys. Leave your comments down below. Kenny's at the ground. We're going to do his interview next. Then Jez, then Matty, then player ratings. But yeah, listen, we're top of the league. For how long? Who knows? Who knows? But listen, we're praying for a draw at Anfield tomorrow. I will be there on Lee Reacts, doing a watch-along for that game after the Tottenham game away to Aston Villa. So make sure you come and check that out as well. But yeah, we're out of it, guys. Top of the league, guys. Come on, let's keep going.